In this video, I will show you how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. First, open your browser and search linkedin.com on the address bar. Log into your account or create a new one by adding your credentials. Click on the Me option in the top menu bar and click View Profile. Click on Add Profile section below your profile name and description. You can add basic information that helps you be discovered by recruiters and people you may know. Start with basic information including prof photo, education, position, career, skills, and more. Click on Recommended to add further details including featured licenses, projects, courses, and more. Click on Add License and fill out the form with the details required. Add more details. Scroll down and fill out the form. After adding information, click on Save to update your license or certificate. Click on Next to update all the information on your profile. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.